up everyone, it's your man Renz Lagria here, and today we are going to do a weightlifting program with one of the best coach na nakatrabaho ko bago ko lumaban sa ibang bansa.
Before you would watch this video, please bigyan niyo ako ng pagmamahal. Please subscribe and like this video so that you can get notified sa susunod kong videos. And I would like you guys to meet one of the best coach. He came from US. He trains MMA fighters, champions, any sport na sabihin nyo. So please all welcome Coach Castro.
He's going to roll out his quads, his IT band, and his hamstrings, and his calves. Those are the three major muscles we're going to go after today. Actually, 4 muscles. So he's going to roll out, then we'll stretch, and then we'll get to our workout. So basically, you just want to roll back and forth. You want to break it up, get that blood circulating. Notice here he's hitting one leg at a time so you can put more pressure on that. Now he's switching over. Now we're breaking up all the scar tissue in there, all the myofascial, everything that's in there. We'll break it up, warm up the blood so we can get a proper stretch. Now if you don't do this much, this is painful, so don't put too much pressure right away or you're not going to want to do it again. So nice and easy, roll into it. As you can tell, it's already hurting him. So this is proof that he's not rolling out. So after a few times, stretch it out the other side. All right, everybody, right here we have the seated leg curl machine. So some of you might have the laying down on your stomach one, but here at Snap Fitness, they have the seated one. So right now, actually see how he has his feet on top? I want to pull these feet back a little bit. This is locked in here. Very lightweight, it's just a warm-up set. That way we can get some blood actually pumping in that muscle now. So now he's gonna curl that into his glutes, nice and slow. Give me a squeeze, and then come back up, slow, and back down. All right, next machine, guys, we got the leg extension. So this one's more focused on the quads, but also it's gonna warm up the joints in your knee also, get the blood circulating. Nice and slow, lightweight, we're just getting the blood back in there, we're warming up. Notice how his feet are pointed out, not towards him, huh? All right, everybody, now we're at the Smith machine. So the reason we're doing Smith machine squats today is because it's a little bit safer if you're a beginner. You don't have to worry about balancing the weight, the machine will balance it for you. So one of the things here on the Smith machine or any squat, I'm gonna have Renz turn around here. I see the people posting the bar too high. So you don't want it on the neck, you don't want it on the bone, that's gonna injure you. You want it to go across the trap, it's a lot safer. Unrack it, pull it out. Notice that we have the safety things here in case something happens. He's gonna come down about 90 degrees. Notice that he walks a little bit forward so it doesn't come straight down. The pressure on his back is less if he goes forward, okay? So now we're gonna put about 80% of the weight on his heels. Come about 90 degrees, break that just about an inch, come back up. Right before he locks out, that's what it is. You want the most tension on the muscle as possible, okay? Help him rack it, just turn it, gets on the hooks. That's a set of squats.
Best recommended for beginners is this machine for squats.
All right, everybody, we're here now at the next exercise, lunges. So lunges are going to hit quads, hamstrings, and glutes. So once you're in a lunge, you don't want to step and go forward. You don't want your knee to pass your toe. Back is straight, so it's a lunge straight up and down. So now come up. Notice his chest is out, back is straight, core is tight. Good. Good form, good form. All right, everybody, for the last exercise, calves. You cannot forget calves. You can lean on anything. Just lean here, kick your feet back a little bit. We're just gonna come up and down, come to the top, squeeze, get that full range of motion, back down and back up. Three, 2, and 1. Thank you, everybody. Please visit our pages for more fitness tips and hit me up, ask me some questions, ask Renz some questions, and we'll help you out as much as possible.
Thank you very much, Snap Fitness, Coach Castro, for helping me out the proper way of warming up, the proper way of lifting, the proper way of ending it. So let us not forget na dapat hindi lang dapat exercise. So, proper nutrition yan. So, if you want to get notified, please don't forget to subscribe or like this channel para magawan pa po namin kayo ng about this kind of lifestyle para lahat tayo healthy. Maraming salamat.